Hey guys, so this is my iPhone 6, which is working one. So it has some issue on the screen, but the nice thing is the LCD is original. Some area got the dead pixel and yellowish, but for me yellowish isn't the problem. But as you can see, the dead pixel is really disturbed. Sorry. Still can use. Everything is working well. All of the area can be touched without any issue, just that the yellowish and the dead pixel on some area and some white spot, as you can see. And my plan is try to do a swap between the white and the black LCD. Both are original, as you can see. This one iPhone doesn't work, same model iPhone 6, but the motherboard isn't work at all, while other part is still fully working. Even the battery still works. I don't understand this Chinese language. And X means the motherboard isn't works. Maybe I try to charge, nothing came out. I'm going to do a swap, even the home button, but the home button fingerprint is work if I put it here, since the fingerprint doesn't match with the motherboard. We try and we'll see how it looks. Let's go. So after did a replacement of the original iPhone 6 LCD from white to black. So here's the iPhone 6, black, fully black at the front and gold at the side and at the back. And for me it looks very nice and very cool. Match with black and gold for me. How about you guys? So now let's turn on the phone. Wow, everything is perfectly fine for the display, and the condition of the screen also very clean, just little of scratch. As long as the original screen, good for me. Except the fingerprint is a work, like I said just now. It doesn't match with the motherboard, so no touch ID. But home button is working fine, but no problem for me since I don't use the fingerprint so much. And for the touch, everything is perfectly fine, no problem, no ghost touch, very smooth to use. I'm so happy. Look at that. A custom iPhone 6 black and gold. Let's try the camera selfie, whether it works or not. It works, very clean. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this iPhone 6 white color LCD convert to black color in the comment below, and so for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.